Bertrand Etienne, you're the CIO of Faurecia, a leading global automotive supplier with about 250 plants spread across the world. Your company is using the HANA technology. How did you become interested in this technology?
We are gradually implementing the SAP ERP solution in our factories. This project started about 5 years ago, and we have now covered 2/3 of the group. These classic ERP technologies now entail the question of volume and system performance on a number of daily operational transactions. These include MRP processes, which replenish materials in our factories. In some plants, we need to manage a large variety of products, and there are strict time constraints on both production and procurement. So we had reached the limits of conventional technologies. HANA has brought us a level of performance we had not expected, though we had hoped for it. So it has really contributed strongly to our business.
You also launched a second project to calculate the profitability of your programs for automakers. Can you tell us more about this second project?
That's right. At Faurecia, we manage major programs that can last a decade. They include a product development phase that involves development centers around the world and lasts 2 or 3 years, followed by a mass production phase during which we deliver to our clients. One of the objectives is to measure the profitability of the entire life cycle involving all the centers that will contribute to this program. So we have variety in our sources of information. We need to manage lots of information when calculating profitability. We are in a low-margin industry, and our target is a 5% margin at group level. Managing profitability levels with 0.5 variance is very important to us, or there would be highly significant financial implications for the group. Today, analysis with classic technologies, whether ERP or BI, is extremely complex and drawn out. It requires a large staff to manage a vast Excel-based documentation. HANA technologies have enabled a real breakthrough in terms of technology and value delivered to the business.
For these two projects, could you please sum up the benefits that you have attained through the use of this technology?
First of all, there's the simplicity of implementing this new technology. That was a nice surprise for us. Then, the high product quality and quality of support we received from SAP for the implementation. For myself as CIO, this project went very well. It allowed us to quickly validate the usefulness of the technology for Faurecia and see real business benefits. It was also important for the business and the perspectives it opens up to us, as technologies related to BI are still very complex given a priori information modeling as well as restitution. These are long and complex projects which are never ready on time with regard to the needs of business. In the area of business intelligence, HANA will change the existing paradigm. We can load all the data, so we are no longer constrained by a priori modeling. We can foster possibilities of analysis and make this data available thanks to the power of HANA. So there is a real paradigm shift for business intelligence. This is very important for us and also key to the services we provide. Regarding the first issue, it comes down to operational efficiency and providing the right data at the right time to our plants which have just-in-time and just-in-sequence requirements.
Can you talk about the business benefits in terms of supply chain management?
We get orders in advance from our customers a few weeks or a month ahead of time. But our planning is based on firm orders that come in 4 hours before delivery and installation in the vehicle on our customer's assembly line. Naturally, we have to manage great diversity in some cases, like a high level of product diversity for German clients, for example. There are thousands of possible product combinations and variations. On such an assembly line, no two products are alike. We have to manage this diversity. This involves the real-time procurement of all these products and the decrease of our inventories. One day of stocks being too high or low in our plants could mean millions of euros more or less in working capital. So we always have this tension between procurement to ensure our production and the depletion of our inventories. The advantage of HANA is that it allows us to have an MRP based on much fresher data, making it more reliable and improve the management of our decreasing inventories, while also ensuring a timely delivery.
You said that in some of your plants you needed 21 or 22 hours for the MRP. What about today with HANA?
The volumes are very high in some of our plants as we have lots of orders from our clients. In these plants, we operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These plants manufacture products every minute of the day. That means a complete set of seats delivered every minute, 2 front seats and 3 back seats, or even a third row of seats for some vehicles. These are complex products with many variants that are delivered just in time. For those plants, we had MRPs that took about 20 hours. With HANA, it's less than an hour. So you can see the quality of service we can provide to our business.
What further extensions could you imagine using for this technology?
Extensions are designed for operations to improve service. They ensure higher reliability and more speed. For the business intelligence, they serve to improve data analysis without this constraint of a priori modeling.
What about running ERP on HANA?
Running ERP on HANA is interesting. It's a real technological leap. We'll adapt it according to our migration and our infrastructure development. We follow the technological advances offered by SAP in line with our investment capabilities and the evolution of our data centers. So it's a welcome development in that area.
Thank you, Bertrand Etienne.
Thank you.